Yeah, and take Mr. Micheling, Michiro lad ka South Sudan, kadung nyaman chapos. Chumano take a bong de chagor, okiko lad ganwari ka gato community nyungwan. Chinga de Nama Gorage, I don't know. Nore to one Goro they can address. What is the reason for all this? Like Lanore, the major contour Konega Gambel may got to Nogalwaga president. Gambel. Take a Gua Chalaro Ko Gambel Yadipinga 1902. Chawish Rundu Quartiang. Rundu Quarto Gore John and Bas celebrate. Chole Matonya. Katubun. Chari Alaka Babuk Deutsch. Quiz story kada. Guamo Chikorga Luak Chanero, Yenen one coin. Chanero coin Ganwari. Chanero coin Gaber. Which is a fair. Ko big book Bukana Kulu Gorogua. Chiquikel Chabok Bella dominate by Gorko Domogami, very inclusive. On the process, Nede Chakwangan Wari Chan Shoot can be mentioned. Can Ngadu War, according to presentation, Esheling Duel ka former president Atugalwatut. It's a way garden where it sign ko bika Boko Gorkel ka Gadaber Udishalo Dol and a Radadian. It's a lot of pelleto Chagapega yo. And no more Kuela Olarni duel coaching cushion Camnial or an major bogwich. Chagwija la chief fair and book. Cha address ne Gambel can itang ka bobo can best in long almost a one-sided can she inclusive in history. Shuramadong Mishi Uri Algaroi Gailar Guanbo, she support Ray Duel. You got to Nuga Kolo Larano, you reason Mokulo no rar. Coach Negisha story shall dominate the door kill. But mention one ko de ka garga totally the realika to Korgalwaka work a minor issue back correct. Math tell me how correct and me ran research on the Alabaka is me can be a big history doing a bell when history door kill garade. The Melquala knowing the Alcungu oh mula like Mula con take on dear future Katega Winyam. Mula mission Mula history con story ja gorgo motor content. Bukon could have been working after it. Mula Tuogono. Second, I've been complaining, Meshala, in your boy spear, chat documented UNESCO, Manilan Tan, Norland, Norzon, almost the Larnu Land Norzon, Chalela, in your boy spear. And it was media, a cock environment, a machine or a tech series. Many Dungan Bello, which are Bolchana. Almost historically, many Dung would Adwa, Battle of Adwa. Kalele take a wood Michale Nugo. Michi and Michu Koradua, Cataleja history. Chanang Nika Museum Dungadis. Cushion on and a cornate in la garden or a garnore, and Mula corne jago Bacon Langajamo, Doron Coquin. Chiwidan Malataniala, Mula Widan at the Pingajam. Chicona Gor, Concelano, Iquan history, Quanaja Bias. Bananade cocaine story and Yargatala stored down Yargajam and Ede cocaine. Why we are not able to defend our history or to write our history? We can't do a name, a can lane, we can't go complain after. We shall then can go complain so Sudan is Agaraga book grade 7 or grade 9. Mon Warika Kulo, Kanok Jana Qual, many Nijan Mandanbo, Marajon and a young Kala indigenous KDL. And no more a yoke. Nama chede ke miji kontuoka ke Ethiopia medan. Ethiopia alaman la tuwa wi mono ramen tega power. Ramen tega power jala historia goro. Medan amara ne ken de goro Ethiopia history. Ko ken chi power dongto. Ken chi mal garturu lo ko dieno. Ken edin civilization mal bena ke tigire ne ka north ko civilization be ke through Red Sea. Ke northern Ethiopia. Chu ngwang mal ngai chiga story gor man rom ne de kan displays ne wini ken gor kan ke migrant ne be ka Madagascar la cha gor ka Ethiopian history oromo migration kani kala superior to kala real Ethiopian to na mo choro develop re chara ken choro pidre chara ken nta mejen ku yentanian gad ken ka dor nyinka alawo no mo la rangi je nta man gad jani de la do na we are superior kon la dielo boro develop madre chara ken no run mu kwala wa equality wa introduce like on na dor dial ka so Sudan perke because o gwi chi cha chondi en nang kon superior la chuba ka level to the superior ngade human being that on a right to be superior la mi cha kwa equality kwa introduce run la kana gwi chi cha marginalize no ke cha technique the right way ka ndor ko kien bola inferior complex la kana develop la wore char kien ka gat kien ko mala piet ke chi genetic pain but charan cherge jila la gad la je we agwir bo bi char bi ja cher no la mi cheri la rami jegro la ti pinran men gadu bo te probability ko be char no kami cheri la jin gram to win any di albo men gadu bo be char no na mo ko la question ko na ne ngula no manongo ko e chi mo pai to recently te tene walbo ko story la lat ga wai chi ichi ngunde wote dormi abe benim bichuj icha wai bekane la wajek la which mean we are not chikon let ka future na ma charo ngi mane tam priority dan latini what is the ngula no manongo ka kon goro je da address ngu ladino ban bikon chikon bidir ka runo bikon kula bana complain ni cha ichi cha na melele up to the level of the la curriculum ne ite kan curriculum sometime la address ka national level o che BBS ya gweje chen she bel la cha dino banane de ko ken bel goro bu kono belerodan ko au failure ko bu kon do normal nen kono focus kama ina issue chen jen we need one why you target Christianity ke ngula dinga de joro che gweje jela menyi shu ko kono la main concern ko kon wori tam all our ngade social gathering whatever we are doing almost lokot la jela very important no kono tendi alden wo ko kui teka dan story dan ko nguni teleka la o ci kon focus ten wo kon defend story ne ko keni jala lado ci kon ten wori teka dan la kono as door teleje ka wi mon la men ci society ro engaged in ci ko min wi mo mala ngar no kuru chug no tin long vaka men ngar ti an impede the wish to be a soccer player or football players the same bo wi mo ngana propine ko bola o lat ganen yin ci right ko bo kan ngar de tono bo they will wish to be a prophet and pastors kano bika evangelist ne kan ngai je on religion tele logaran just ko block ni faculty do ko bri ko bigutu ajen me chekano chen gweje de goro de kon address program me chen tam yo gaje joy chini wan chi joy ke media la ran chara to te ka followers ni to wan te la ran chara gwa ni gweje ran chara address gwa ko gwa de which is very good no mo o che chat ka ta te ne ka gambel gwa me yanta ne ka yo gwa mi what is the reason behind? That is the question. Yeah, thank you.